Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I'm Satakshi, your English faculty at iExamB, and in this video we'll have a look at some questions of error detection. Error detection comes in English section of almost all the competitive exams, and to get the right answer to such questions, it is important that we study all the rules of grammar and practice as many questions as possible. So let's practice some error detection questions here. Before we start, friends, I would like to tell you about the IBPS SO AFO online course which we are offering at iExamB. It is an online course where you get video lessons, study notes, practice tests, live sessions and interview guidance. For more information, you can visit our website www.iexamb.com or call us at this number. So friends, in error detection, we are given a sentence and it is divided in parts and we have to find out that which part contains the error. So this is a sentence and the sentence has been divided in 4 parts. The 5th part is no error. So now you have to find the part which is the erroneous part. The sentence says the principal was wanting to invite the politician as the chief guest, whereas everybody present in the meeting were opposing this idea. So friends, there is a rule in grammar which is called subject-verb agreement. Now here everybody is singular. So since everybody is singular, this is the subject and this is the verb. Subject and verb should agree with each other. So since subject is singular, everybody is singular. So here was should be used, which is a singular verb. So here where do we have were here? The 4th part is the erroneous part. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Now let's see another question of this type. So here the sentence says, the Health and Food Department recently announced that the amount of food wastage have significantly come down in the last quarter. See, now when we read the sentence, we know that here amount of food wastage is being talked about. Amount is singular. Amount of food wastage has significantly come down. So here in the 3rd part of food wastage has, this should be has, not have. So option number 3 contains the error and it is the right answer. Now this sentence says all the residents of the society decided to start a fundraiser for helping the society staff during the pandemic and suggested 2 ideas. But according to the RWA president, either of the ideas were too risky to be implemented during the pandemic. Now here we have divided the sentence in 4 parts and the 5th part is no error. So friends, what is the error here? Here it has been said according to the RWA president, either of the ideas were too risky. So wherever either comes, this is singular. Either denotes singular. So the subject is singular. So here the verb were should also be singular. Were is wrong. It should be was. Either of the ideas was too risky. So here part number 3 is wrong. Were should be replaced by was. So answer is option number 3. Now here another question. The designer and creative head of the company was supposed to decide about the fabrics to be used in bridal couture. So here the sentence has been divided again in 4 parts and the 5th part says no error. So here the 2 nouns, designer and creative head. The designer is also the same person. The creative head is also the same person. So when the noun is singular, here it is singular. So here instead of were, was should be used. If before creative head, the had been mentioned, then the designer and the creative head would have been different people. So were was correct in that case. But here since the has not been mentioned, the designer and creative head of the company was supposed to decide about the fabrics to be used in bridal couture. So were, the part containing were is wrong. Now let's have a look at another such sentence. Not only the principal but also the parents was looking forward to the annual day celebrations. Now these are the parts of this sentence. So whenever we have not only and but also, the parents, here The verb is closer to the parents in the case of not only but also. The verb agrees with the closer subject. So the closer subject is what? The parents. This is plural. So here the verb should also be plural and it should be were. So option number 3 contains the error. Here was should be replaced by were. Friends, we saw here how important rules of grammar are. So do study all the rules of grammar. You can practice more such questions in the mock tests at iexampy.com, where all mock tests are absolutely free. If you found this video informative, please like and share this video. You can share your feedback in the comment section below.